Breaking news coming in this evening. The Air India office in Kolkata has reportedly received a threat call. Air India has confirmed it received a non-specific threat call at its central Kolkata office at 5:52 this evening. Air India has filed an official complaint with the Kolkata police. Air India officials also held an emergency meeting with the AAI officials, BCA, which is the Bureau of Civil Aviation, and CISF at the Kolkata airport. Security there has been beefed up following the threat call, and all measures are being taken to ensure the safety of passengers. Let's get a word from our correspondent Indrajit, who's with us on the phone line. Indrajit, what more details can you share with us?
Well, Simi, what we are learning from Air India officials is that its office here in central Kolkata, which is the main booking center, that has received a threat call at around 5:42 p.m. this evening. It's a non-specific threat call. That's what Air India officials are, claiming at this point in time. No specific details are available as to what was the nature of the threat call. But Air India officials swung into action. They have brought it to the notice of the Kolkata police, and an emergency meeting is being held with the Airports Authority of India officials at the Kolkata International Airport, along with officials of Bureau of Civil Aviation and the CISF personnel who are basically in charge of security at the Kolkata airport. So all the agencies have been involved, and Air India officials are meeting these agencies which are in charge of the Kolkata airport. And what Air India officials have told us is that every security measure has been taken. So security, in fact, has been beefed up after this, threat call. And we are also learning that Air India has given this piece of information to other Air India offices across the country so that security can be beefed up across other airports as well.
All right. So, working on an advisory to beef up security at other airports across the country as well. Indrajit, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.